Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today's video is about applications. First of all, go to Applications. You will see here your apps. Those are the apps that you have in your store. If you need to add other apps, you will just need to scroll down and you will see new apps. Those are the apps that are available for you to add to your store. You will see that some apps are activated and some others are deactivated. You can activate the app by clicking on this blue button here, Activate. With just a click, you can activate an app, and with another click, you can deactivate it. If you want access to the settings of an app, you just need to click either on the picture of the app, like this, and you will see all the parameters and the settings of the app itself. The same thing of the other apps. For example, pop-up notification. If I click, I will see all the settings available for the pop-up notification app. And if you want to delete an app from your store, just need to click here and click on Accept. Then the app will be deleted and available in new apps. Thank you for watching and see you soon in other tutorials. We will see more details about each app in our store. Thanks for watching. See you soon.